how to get the donate button in Please Donate. Now, as we all know, Please Donate is a game that is blowing up right now, and a lot of people have to be thinking, well, when you actually make a stall, there's actually no donate button. Like, there's no, let's say for example, this person has loads of options to donate, this person has different ones, this one's got 2 Robux, and a lot of people have been asking, well, how do you get it, how do you donate, like how do you get a donate rate? Because obviously, as we all know, if we create a stand, there's actually nothing right here, and when you go back to edit, there's no option to add anything, so you just put like please donate. Now yeah, so once you do it, there's actually no option currently, like, but I'll be showing you guys today how to actually do this right now. So it's pretty insane, guys. You guys want to watch this whole video until the end right now. Also guys, just let you know right now, I'm also hosting a huge Robux giveaway myself, and if you guys want some Robux, all you guys gotta do is just subscribe to this channel right now, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff, and yeah, because literally right now I am paying out a subscriber from last video 100,000 Robux. I'll be paying a few guys out in this video, well in today's video, the people in the comments down below, people pretty much who subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video, I'll be paying you out 100,000 Robux. So once you guys drop your username, I will add you on Roblox, and we can pretty much take it from there. Anyway guys, let's just get right into it. So right here is my stall. So what you guys want to do first is obviously go back onto your actual Roblox site main homepage, and we want to press create right here. Now as I say right here, it does say my creations right here. Now literally guys, you have your group creations, make sure it's not your group creations, because this is my group obviously right here. If I go to my actual t-shirts, so there's shirts here and there's t-shirts right here. Yeah, I currently have no t-shirts, but right here, look at this guys. Now you're going to go to my creations, and this is it right here. Now obviously right here I have no shirts currently, and once you guys create a shirt, all you guys have to do is to literally go to your t-shirts if you guys want to, because right here, and look, you can upload a t-shirt for free guys. So right here, let's just get, I'm going to add on a shirt right now, so literally guys, just do this right now. Now a lot of people have actually been asking, well what do you need, like do you need to put like a certain photo, do you need to be a certain rate? No, literally nothing. Like look at this right here, I have a random logo, like my old logo right here, right, oh right there, yeah, look, I can literally upload this and it should work. So I'm just going to call it please donate right now. I'm going to upload this right now. Literally right there, t-shirt successfully created, and I have officially created this t-shirt. But right now you're not finished yet though, you guys are not finished yet though. So what you guys want to do from here is just pressing your t-shirt right here, so make sure everything's all good. Go to the top right here, and it should say something like configure. Go down right here. Now you can put comments on if you want, you can, but this is the main part. Go to your sales and put on this the green thing right here, and yeah, look, you guys can literally create the price, but bear in mind Roblox take 70%. So if you put 2 Robux on, remember, because I know there must be some like because obviously it's physically impossible to put like 70% on 2. So Roblox at 1, so literally that's like 50%. So you're getting robbed pretty much if you just put it as 2. So what you want to do is I would roughly do 5, because obviously that's just the best I guess. But yes, yeah, so I would have one t-shirt as 5, maybe one is like 10, 20, so I'm just going to press 0. So what you guys can do from here is obviously I'm in the game right now, so I am trying to back out of this game right now. And if I go right here, if I just go back to my home page, and I go back right here to please donate, let's just load back into please donate right now. We are going to load back in, so literally right now, after we do this, sometimes it could take a bit of time for it to actually like to be able to like work, but it should work in theory. Hopefully there's actually no stands taken. Oh no, gas taken, unclaimed. This one right here. I'm going to claim this, and boom, look at this guys, we now have our own donate button right here. If this helped you, can you please leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel? It does mean so much, like you guys support the channel. And if you're just able to take like a second out of your day to subscribe, so I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year.